Okay, so your teacher gives you a test online, but the test is a PDF, not a Word document. How do you answer that test that's a PDF and submit it so that you can actually get a grade? So let's say you're a part of Google Classroom and you get a notification in your email that there's a new assignment. So I'm going to open this up as a student and I'm going to access my Google Classroom. So I open Google Classroom, I'm trying to check out the assignment, and I notice that it's a PDF. So I'm going to download the assignment. Now, when I open the assignment, I don't see an immediate option to download. All right, not a problem. Here's what you do. You go to the top right-hand corner, hit the option for more actions, and you open this file in a new window. Now that it's open in a new window, you realize that you have the option to download. So we download the file, and once the file is downloaded, we open it up. You can either hit open or show in folder. I kind of like hitting show in folder so I know where it is. Okay, so now I see it's in my download section. So I open up the test, and of course it's a PDF. So how do I actually answer a PDF so that I can submit it? So I actually did the test. All right, so even though this is the free version of PDF, there is a way that you can actually answer the test and write on a PDF document. And here's how. Well, first, you go to the top right-hand corner and you hit the symbol that says sign document. When we hit that, the option comes up for different signatures. Well, ignore that and click on the sign that says AB, which means you're actually going to type, right? As opposed to adding a signature, it's going to type. So you go right here, and now you can type your text. So let's say, for example, the answer for this one is A. And let's say the answer for this is, let's just say D. And we keep going on and on. When you're done with your test, you're done answering all the pages that you've been given. This one is 4 pages. You will hit close. Notice that the answers are still there. And after you hit close, make sure you hit save. So save file, top left-hand corner. You can save this way. You can go, or you can go to file and save. And you save it to wherever you want to save it, and you save it. You can put your name, right? However you want to save it. Okay. So once that's done, you hit save, and now you can go to where you saved it. Right. So let's say, for example, we saved it here. Trying to find where you had it. Okay. So there it is, right there. Right. Open it up, double check it, make sure all the answers are still there, which they are. And now that you know where it is, we close it and we go back to our Google Classroom. So after you're done with your test, you go back to your Google Classroom and you can now upload your test. So add or create. And of course, we're going to add a file, the one we just answered. So we're going to select files from our device. We're going straight back to where we saved the test. So make sure you remember where you saved your test. And once you get that, you click on it, hit open or double click, and it will come right up here in this box. Hit upload. Now your test is uploaded, and when it's done uploading, and it says it's done, you can hit turn in. You can leave private assignments for your professor. This test was challenging, but I did my best, if you want to. And then after you're done with that, you can just hit turn in, confirm, turn in, and that's it. So now you know how to actually answer a PDF file if your test or assignment or whatever you get for school from your teacher comes in that form. You can still answer it in a PDF format. Hope this is helpful, and all the best.